Slowly making my way. The grill, bumper, brush guard, push bumper, whatever you want to call it, out. Slowly making my way to that guy so I can get a closer look at it. Radiator is absolutely massive. It's been pretty good though. Not a lot of seized bolts so far. I know that can change, but I'm happy with it at the moment. Just gonna keep chipping it away, one day at a time, right? Day number 2 since I got it back in the garage. I took this cross member out, and I've been pulling the fenders apart so I can get this whole front piece, hopefully with the radiator together, out. But those bolts down there, you can't see them very well. Should have grabbed a flashlight, but they are fighting me really good. So I got that side out, so that's cool. This side is gonna soak in WD-40 all night because it's time for me to go inside. And hopefully the whole front piece will be off tomorrow. Then I'm gonna work on the fenders, the hood, all that good stuff. It'll be a little bit interesting to do the fenders since all that setup, that step is bolted to them, but I think it'll be alright. And then I'll be able to see the motor a lot better, see what is leaking so bad. Hopefully get it fixed and just keep tearing it down so we can make it like new again.